Here's how to download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows. VS Code is a free code editor that works with pretty much any programming language. Let's get it set up in just a couple minutes. If this helps, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks. First thing, open your browser and head over to code.visualstudio.com. You'll see a button in the middle that says Download for Windows. Go ahead and click that. The installer should start downloading right away. It's only about 90 megabytes, so it's pretty quick. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the VS Code installer. Windows might ask if you want to allow the app to make changes. Just click Yes here. You'll see the license agreement first. Accept that and click Next. Then you'll see some installation options. Honestly, the default settings work great for most people, so just click Next and Next again. Now here's an important one. Make sure the box that says Add to Path is checked. This lets you open VS Code from the command line later, which is really handy. After that, click Next and then Install. The installation usually takes about 30 seconds or so. Just let it do its thing. Once it's done, click Finish and VS Code will open automatically. You might see a welcome screen pop up. You can close that for now. And that's pretty much it. VS Code is now installed and ready to go. You can start coding in whatever language you want.